Hi, everybody. This is Randy Suits with a letter and a song. Our letter for 3 July is fireworks on the 4th of July. My darling Eve, you are my dearest friend who knows the secrets of my heart. Why do we wait each year on Independence Day for the grand light show of Roman candles exploding across the sky in streams and clusters of varying colors and patterns? To obtain a good view, one must arrive at least an hour early. And don't forget to bring folding chairs. How about those times we arrived without our mosquito repellent and suffered the whelps of insects that most certainly enjoyed the show more than we did? Remember Mackinac Island and our lakeside seats on the boulders? Great view, great fun, wonderful you. If the fireworks did one day grow old or boring, that part of being with you and being us will never grow old, boring, or mundane. You took my plain, uneventful sky and illumined it with streaming, glistening, exploding light patterns that painted a picture of you and me as one. I like our oneness. It is a unique state of peace, comfort, excitement, contentment, joy, and all that is good and pleasant. We experience pleasure fireworks every day, not just on a holiday. Ours is a daily event from which we gain a greater meaning in our union than our individuality. Our unselfish union does not detract from our individuality. Your individuality was one of the many reasons my heart merged with yours. Never change, my sweet. When we met, those fireworks were greater than a holiday fireworks display. After all these years, you still thrill me by just being you. I love you yesterday, now, and tomorrow. Let's continue to go on the 4th of July fireworks shows, but I'll cling most of all to those love-filled days with you. The peace of our Lord Jesus Christ be with you now and always. Your Kohane. Those are the sweet times that get sweeter as time goes by. As we remember, there's a deep satisfaction and even a longing for those days and a gratefulness for the blessings of God. God knew what he was doing when he made man for woman and woman for man. So we give thanks for those things. Now we're going to do a song called Sugar Time. Well, sugar in the morning, sugar in the evening, sugar at supper time. Be my little sugar and love me all the time. Honey in the morning, honey in the evening, honey at supper time. Be my little honey and love me all the time. Put your arms around me and swear by the stars above, you'll be mine forever in a heaven of love. Sugar in the morning, sugar in the evening, sugar at supper time. Be my little sugar and love me all the time. Now sugar time is any time that you're near, 'cause you're so dear, so don't you roam. Just be my honeycomb and live in a heaven of love. Sugar in the morning, sugar in the evening, sugar at supper time. Be my little sugar and love me all the time. Honey in the morning, honey in the evening, honey at supper time. Be my little honey and love me all the time. Sugar time, sugar time, sugar time. Good song. Happy song, isn't it? Because that's really what it is, isn't it? It's sugar time when you're with the one you love. Grateful for those things, Most High God, we are. And let's not forget to praise and thank God for his goodness and kindness to us. He has enabled us to come into his presence through Jesus Christ, his only begotten Son. And we look forward to those days when we shall approach the throne of grace, outside and away from the wickedness and evil of this world. And now, my dear friends, may the Lord, even the Most High God, be with you in all that you think, say, do, and are. Thank you for being, and God willing, we'll see you again soon.